Professor Dash gives us an approach to find and study the very nature and scope of jurisprudence. His approach is interdisciplinary approach, and this interdisciplinary approach to study and investigate the exact nature and scope of jurisprudence required that the approach must study law with philosophy, sociology, ethics, etc. So, by investigating and analyzing law with its relation between the other disciplines, he developed certain new types of jurisprudence, such as general jurisprudence, particular jurisprudence, economic jurisprudence, sociological jurisprudence, criminal jurisprudence, compensatory jurisprudence, consumer jurisprudence, environmental jurisprudence, medical jurisprudence, etc. So, the very argument of Professor Dash is that if law will be studied and investigated with relations between different disciplines such as philosophy, sociology, ethics, etc., then generally the very scope of jurisprudence would be very vast and it would benefit the entire legal community or the faculties associated with the study and investigation of jurisprudence. So in this way, there would be a different approach, and that approach is, according to Dash, is interdisciplinary approach of studying jurisprudence, which would facilitate it for study of different types of jurisprudence like economic jurisprudence, sociological jurisprudence, criminal jurisprudence, compensatory jurisprudence, consumer jurisprudence, environmental jurisprudence, medical jurisprudence, etc.